Hey guys! In this video, I will show you how to create a metapixel in Meta Ads Manager. Alright, so let's begin with the video. To get started, sign into your Meta Ads account. Once you're logged in, open a new browser tab and search for Meta for Business. From the search results, select the Meta Business link to access your Meta Business suite. After entering the dashboard, look at the menu on the left side and scroll down until you find the Settings option. Inside the Settings area, locate the Data Sources section. Under this category, select Datasets and Pixels. This will take you to the page where your data assets are managed. On the Datasets page, you'll find a link for Events Manager. Click on it to open it. After that, go to the upper left area of the screen and click on Connect Data. A setup window will appear. From the available connection options, choose Web and then click Next to continue. In the following step, select your dataset and choose Pixel as the data source type. After making your selection, select Setup Metapixel to begin the configuration process. A new window will appear with different setup methods, such as add metapixel code to website yourself, send instructions to a developer, or set up with a partner. For this example, choose Setup with Partner option and continue through the instructions provided on the screen. Complete the remaining setup steps according to your website platform or integration method. Once the setup process is finished, your metapixel will be connected successfully and ready to collect website activity data. This allows you to track events, measure performance, and use the information within Meta Ads Manager for reporting and advertising purposes. And that's it. So that's basically how you can create a metapixel in Meta Ads Manager. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.